What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. This is not a haircut tutorial video. It's about 5 a.m. January 26, 2021. This video is about to show you guys how to shovel your driveway. I'm no expert at it, but I'm gonna do the video anyway. If you don't have a driveway, or if you don't have snow where you're watching at, you might find this entertaining. Barber Illuminati. Let's go! All right, give me a moment. I'm gonna get started here. I gotta put on my gloves. Quickly. All right, hey, if you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. Shout out to Cuts from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? All right, let's get started. I don't have a snow blower, so I have to do it manually. It's all good. I never like a snow blower, so I never bought one. You know what I'm saying? I don't care for one. I like to do it the hard way. You know, that's what men do. Anyway, I'm not sure if you guys can see properly. Let me see if I can adjust some things a little. Bingo. I think this is a little bit better. Not really. Adjusting the camera. Bear with me. All right. Let's see. All right. This might work. All right. First of all, you need a shovel. A good one, heavy duty one. Okay. And you guys can't see exactly what I'm doing. Happy birthday. And this snow is heavy. This thing is heavy. I'm a barber, for God's sake. I'm not supposed to do hard labor. No. I'm doing hard labor this morning. I'm not supposed to. I'm a barber, for God's sake. You know. All right, watch me. Watch me. I'm not gonna keep coming back here now. I'm not. Just watch me clean the driveway. If you have a driveway, you clean it just the same. Or you can even do a better job than me, okay? Like I said, I'm no expert at this. Okay? But you can learn a thing or two from here. At least the way I keep warm or something. I don't know. By the way, I have my Army uniform on. You see what country I represent? Yeah. Barber Illuminati. Okay, let's get back to the snow shovel. This is not no army video. Let me just get back. I'm distracting my own self, you know? Let's get back. All right, now let's get serious here. I'm not going to keep coming back. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video to all your friends, including your grandma. Yes, it's very important that your grandma see this. She might learn a thing or two. All right, I'm going to keep shoveling until I'm done. Barber Illuminati. How are you, YouTube? I'm tired. My heart rate's all high and everything. I don't do hard labor. You know, this is not for me. That's why I chose to be a barber. But still, I'm making this video here. You might learn a thing or two. Alright, keep watching now. Stay with me. Stay with me. I'm gonna go for another round. Oh, so far, let me show you guys what I've done so far. I'll show you. Bear with me. Yep, that's what I did so far. And I have to cover a lot of ground. I'm just getting started. I just put a crack on it. But anyway, let's get back to work. I gotta get done so I can get to work. You know? Alright. Let's see here. Alright. Good enough. I'm adjusting the camera. Bear with me. Okay. Boom. Here we go. Alright. I'd rather do haircut tutorial. See, this is more fun. This ain't no fun. But hey, I don't have a snowman to clean the snow. I haven't hired this one of these guys. Actually, I tried to hire somebody, you know. I tried to hire somebody one time. He was supposed to give me an estimate. He never got back to me. So me being the self-sufficient man that I am, I do it myself. It's not easy work. It's not easy work. Are you looking for a job? Hey, if you're looking for a job, you hit me up now. And, you know, send me a, you know how to get in contact with me. If you're looking for a job, you got it. I quit. But I still got to clean the driveway. I'm going at it. All right, YouTube. That's it. I don't want to make the video too lengthy. I think that's it. I'm going to keep working, but I'm going to shut off the camera. When I'm done, I'm going to do another video and show you guys how the driveway come out. But let me show you guys exactly the type of work that I have to do here. Yep, this is the driveway. I got to clean up all the way over there, and all the way over there. Something like that. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but I gotta take care of this driveway successfully. Pray for me. All right, YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, when I'm done, I will record another one to show you guys how this whole project come out. Barber Illuminati.